Guess what I just made? Ta-da! It smells so good. This is Yakisoba. Chicken is cracking out there. Hi y'all, my name is Kozue. You can call me Kay. If you can't pronounce my name, that's alright. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. Alright, so let's go with K. I don't know why my chicken is going nuts out there, but I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm gonna get that chicken egg later. This channel is all about how to cook simple food. The title of this series is called Ain't Nobody Told Me. So, if you don't know how to cook rice, how to boil water, how to boil eggs, how to make noodles, whatever. If you don't know and nobody told you yet, then today is the first stage you're gonna learn how to make those things. And I'm gonna simplify it, and I can guarantee you're gonna be able to cook after this video. Okay? Stay with me though. And if you like it, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and write a comment and all of that. Alright? So, let's get into it. Alright? Today, guess what I'm making? Yes, I'm making yakisoba or chow mein or stir fry with noodle, whatever you call that. It's all the same thing with no cuttings. If you want to, you can cut them all you want. But I'm going to make a simplified version with a few ingredients, okay? You saw me now, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the ingredients, and I'll show you how to do this, all right? So after this, at least you can eat stir fry with noodles, all right? Let's go.
Let your light shine and be free, free, free. This little light of mine shines so bright. When the world tests me, I hold it tight. The beacon of hope on the starless night, and I'm gonna let it shine.
Things you need for today's food. You're gonna need 1 pack of some kind of ramen noodle. It doesn't matter. Flavor doesn't matter because I'm gonna throw that packet away, okay? And then you're gonna put chicken. Listen, if you're not comfortable with using a raw chicken meat, just use a canned chicken breast. You know, it's all right. You'll be all right, okay? And then you're gonna need your favorite teriyaki sauce. I use this because I like this one. I don't have to do anything to it. And then your favorite vegetables. I'm using the frozen vegetable today because I told you I'm not gonna cut anything, right? But if you got vegetables, a fresh garden and whatever, yeah, just go harvest it and chop up everything you want. Chop up whatever you want. Onion, cabbage, carrots, pepper, jalapeno. Those are my recommendation. But hey, whatever you want. If you don't want it, don't add it, okay? And instead of chicken, you can of course change it to pork, beef, shrimp. I wouldn't recommend fish, but ham, bacon, definitely you can do that. All right, and you're gonna need a little bit of water. All right, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is heat up the skillet and cook the chicken. Simple. And next, once chicken is almost cooked, about 80%, you're gonna add your favorite vegetables. In this case, I put cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots, but you can add whatever you want. Typically, we put onion, cabbage, and carrots. And then after that, you're going to add a ramen packet without the seasoning, and then add water, about ½ cup, and close the lid. Next, you check it in a little bit, about a minute, and the noodles get a little bit softer now, and then you can open it up so you can cook it faster. Okay, and then you still got some water. Look at that. And make sure you're not cooking in a dry skillet, okay? And then you're trying to loosen up the noodle so that it cooks evenly. And at this point, adjust the water level. If you need more water, go ahead and add them. And close the lid. All right, about a minute passed. Check it again, and then loosen up the noodle and check the water level, It should be almost all gone by now. This whole cooking process takes about 3 to 5 minutes, so it won't take that long. And then if you're satisfied, and then you add your favorite teriyaki sauce over. Okay, now make sure everything is coated evenly. Make sure all of the sauce is everywhere. Alright, if everything looks good, close the lid and cook it just for a little bit. And then you're done pretty much. Plating time. Look at that. That looks awesome, isn't it? That was easy, right? That was pretty simple. You gotta tell me that you're gonna make this thing. Kids can make it. I saw them doing it. I'm a witness. So you can do it too. If you're kids, just be careful. Make sure your mom is watching. Cooking is fun. Don't be scared. You're not gonna burn down our house. Alright? So if you didn't know how to cook anything, now you know how to make yakisoba. This is a Japanese dish. Ah, yes, that's a Japanese dish. Or you can make it in Chinese if you use chow mein, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same thing. So, thank you for watching Self-Made Food. And if you don't know, now you know how to make yakisoba. That's your first Japanese dish, baby. All right. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. All right. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.